I call upon our charming and beloved principal, Mrs. Promni Chopra, to address the gathering.
Vande Mataram, Anjali ma'am, our chief guest, Dr. C.M. Nautiyal. We are immensely grateful for your presence today and the way you have looked at each and everything in the science exhibition. It was so beautiful that you entered the school at 10 o'clock, and eventually, after seeing these three exhibitions, I think it was 2 o'clock when you moved out, and you spent all this time in seeing physics, chemistry, biology, and maths. I actually doubt if anybody sitting here has spent so much time with children in one exhibition room. So that shows the passion you have for science, and as ma'am rightly said, we have really benefited from all the suggestions that you've given. The place where our students have reached in Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan, we owe that to you, sir. And once again, I'm immensely grateful to you for your presence today and for accepting to be the chief guest. Thank you so much. And ma'am, thank you so much. Truly grateful to you for speaking about the most beautiful emotion in the universe, love. That is something which can conquer anything. There are two things which can conquer anything. One is love and the other is faith. That is what I believe in. Thank you, ma'am, for speaking about it, and I'm sure it'll rub off on all the parents and teachers. I'm not exactly here to address the gathering. I welcome all the parents, the teachers, and the students who are present here, and I wish all the best for the program to all the teachers and the students, because I know, parents, you've come with high hopes. Now today, as ma'am said, that she spoke about love. So it is not about loving the parent or loving the child. There is a love between a mentor and also a student. And that is the love which prevails in this institution. And for the sake of that love, Anjali ma'am has instituted Sri Aurobindo and the Mother Awards this year. When I say this year, actually she gave us a surprise, Asha ma'am and I, last year for these awards. But from now on, this is a continuous process, and each year we will be awarding some of the teachers with Sri Aurobindo and the Mother Awards. Now, when you have 270 staff members, it's very difficult to single out anyone. And today is a day when you will surely agree with me, all those of you who've seen the exhibition and all those of you who have children in the senior school and who've already seen the Senior School Founders Day. Teachers here do not work for accolades. Their only sole purpose is to give all their time for the growth of the children according to the philosophy of the school, so that each child grows to his best and reaches excellence. Without any further delay, and to break the suspense, and also I apologize, Poonam Kakkar ma'am and Kanika ma'am, that we invited your families without your permission, because we wanted to give you a surprise. And these awards are not only for Jaipuria School. Navsrijan is equally dear to Anjali ma'am and to all the staff members. So these awards are for Jaipuria School as well as for Navsrijan. Asha ma'am will announce the award for Navsrijan. Meanwhile, parents, how many of you have seen Kanika ma'am very, very regularly and alert at gate number 2? Kanika ma'am, you can turn around and see the hands. And I'd request Mr. Chopra also to have a look at what Kanika ma'am does. So that is because of the vigilant eye that she has and the way she keeps her own KG block very, very safe. It is like two eyes piercing all through the KG block, and also at gate number 2. It is one look of the eye which tells the child that today I have not plaited my hair and my hair is open and I need not be in school like this. Or if I am not in proper uniform or if I am late, they know that next day Kanika ma'am will tell us that you've been late twice or thrice this week. She doesn't note down, but she remembers. She remembers the new admissions, she remembers the old ones, she remembers the ones who've reached class 12. That is her memory. And that is why the award for courageous leadership, Sri Aurobindo Award for courageous leadership, goes to Kanika Chopra ma'am. May I invite you, Kanika ma'am, and Mr. Chopra as well, to come on the stage.
First of all, of course, I would like to thank God for this. Without Him, there's nothing we can do. And thank you, Anjali ma'am, Pramini ma'am, Asha ma'am, all my seniors. Yes, I would like to mention Mr. Arvindakshan here also, because that is when I stepped into the school. It's been more than 21 years now. Thank you so much, all my seniors, my colleagues, and yes, my girls. They will all be there saying that your girls are here. Thank you so much, parents, for having the faith. And yes, I won't ever dream of being in any other place than Jaipur. Thank you so much for giving me so much in my life. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much, Mr. Chopra. We formally acknowledge your contribution. We know how you've allowed Kanika to stay here till 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, whenever required. That eats on your time, but thank you so much for that. And Kanika ma'am has been with us for 15 years. So, thank you. 21 years. I'm sorry, Kanika ma'am. And now, may I invite Mrs. Poonam Kakkar and Mr. Kakkar to receive the award, Sri Aurobindo Award for Nobility and Compassion. So parents, how many of you have children who've been taught by Poonam Kakkar ma'am? Could you please raise your hands? Is there any one of you who would like to say anything about Poonam ma'am? Yes, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. Poonam ma'am, you remember me, ma'am. She taught Arsh Ali Khan in class 3rd. And till now, on every PTM, he goes there to meet Poonam ma'am. And whenever I'm in a problem, I message her, ma'am, please talk to Arsh. He's behaving like this. She's so loving, a mother in the school. At home, I'm there. In school, she's there. Till now.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for choosing to speak for Poonam ma'am. The best reward for a teacher is when her children or parents say something about her. Poonam ma'am is one person who I doubt if she has ever said anything that can upset a child. We all have such moments in our life when we get upset, but she controls her emotions to pour all her love and sweetness to children, and she maintains that connect with them to absolute perfection. There is absolute charm, absolute harmony in her class, she within and outside. And it is not only with children, but also with all these staff members. I'm sure her husband will agree that it will be the same in the family as well. Thank you so much, Poonam ma'am, for being what you are.
Thank you, ma'am. I'm deeply honored. Immense gratitude. Still, I am thinking, is it real or a dream? It was a truly surprise for me. Immense gratitude, and I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to dear Pramini ma'am and Asha ma'am for giving me ample opportunities to grow and having trust in me. And this award belongs to all my shining stars. Because of them, today I'm standing here. Thank you so much. Poonam ma'ams, love you a lot.
It is very much real, Poonam ma'am. It's just that your husband didn't break the reality, and we appreciate him for keeping that secret. Thank you. Now may I invite Asha ma'am to take this on further.
One of our oldest teachers of Navsrijan, Preeti Mehrotra ma'am. A person with lot of patience and understanding, who is always there for everyone, stable in all circumstances. Any new teacher would relate to her only for her harmoniousness. अभी अपनी पूरी टीम को जोड़ के रखना, सामंजस्य स्थापित करना उनकी खूबी है. हर परिस्थिति में यही कहना, हो जाएगा मैम, हो जाएगा टीचर्स. Her planning is meticulous to the extent that she would remind me for everything 2 months before. She is a remarkable teacher as well. बच्चों के साथ भी पेशेंटली डील करना उनके व्यक्तित्व के साथ जुड़ा है. आज हम उन्हें इन्हीं गुणों के लिए सम्मानित करना चाहते हैं. So today we are bestowing upon her Shri Aurobindo Award for Harmony and Sincerity for her meticulous planning and harmonious relationship with her team. So please welcome her with huge round of applause.
What to say? Thank you, God. Thank you for showering your blessings on me and surrounding me with such great people. Thank you, Anjali ma'am, for your inspiration always. Thank you, Promini ma'am, for always there for us. And thank you, Asha ma'am, for believing in me. Thank you. मैम एक बात मैं और कहूँगी कि आशा मैम ने हमेशा हमें कहा है कि जब भी कहीं भी काम करो तो जो भी वहाँ से लेते हो पूरी ईमानदारी से, एक एक पैसा आपका ईमानदारी का ही होना चाहिए. पूरी ईमानदारी से काम करो, बस यही सबसे अच्छा काम है. थैंक यू.
Thank you so much, Dr. Nautiyal, Anjali ma'am, and Asha ma'am, for doing the honors.